Initial thoughts while I'm unloading all this stuff is this thing looks solid. The original budget mount we had from EcoWorthy, it's been a good little mount for a budget, but it definitely shows it's a budget mount. Part of this unboxing is I want you guys to get a good feel of everything that comes in this Chico ground mount system. It can look a bit overwhelming when you first get it, but honestly, my recommendation is take everything, just lay it out as we have it here. Okay guys, so now we've unloaded everything off of our pallet. It's arrived and we've got it laid out here on the ground, nice and organized.